Hello dear students, welcome to the class. How are you all doing? I know you all are doing very well. Got it? So you all know it very well that we are carrying on with this chapter, Political Science, Chapter 5, Women Change the World. Every time when I start this class and every time when I start this chapter, I ask you a question. Most of the time I ask this question: do women really change the world? क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है that women change the world? Do you feel, my dear children, that women can change the world? And I know your answer is yes. Women can change the world. Women can do wonders. But here I want to say one thing. They need the support of men. Got it? अकेले नहीं कर सकती. अकेले कर भी सकती हैं, but it is good if somebody's support is there. अगर किसी का support मिले तो ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से काम हो सकता है, isn't it? The work can be done more properly, more easily. Okay, so we need to see that we support the women in all the ways we can. हम जैसे भी हो सकता है हमको women को support करना चाहिए. That is there. Then only women can change the world. Support नहीं भी मिलेगा तो भी women can change the world, my dear children. There is no question on that. उसके ऊपर कोई सवाल नहीं है that women can change the world or not. लेकिन still, if they get the support, so they can change the world. I have decided from today onwards, children, whenever we will be starting a class, whenever we are interacting in the beginning of the video, I will be sharing a good thought with all of you. Okay, padhna to hai hi, of course we will be studying, we will be carrying on with the chapter, but along with the chapter, you have to become whatever you want to become: doctor, engineer, IAS officer, a chef, or any choice, any job of your choice. You are doing that. Lekin along with that, children, you need to become a good human being also, isn't it? एक अच्छा इंसान भी बनना है. कैसे बनना है? By imbibing. Imbibing means by practicing good qualities. By practicing some things that are really required. लोगों के लिए जो जरूरी है वो चीजें आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेंगी. एंड फॉर टुडे माय मंत्रा फॉर यू इज ऑलवेज रेस्पेक्ट योर पेरेंट्स. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? प्लीज. द बिगेस्ट थिंग, many a times it happens that you talk to your parents in a loud voice. Don't do that. आप परेशान हो, आप टेंशन में हो, आपके ऊपर पढ़ाई का इतना बर्डन है. थिंक अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स. उनके ऊपर कितना टेंशन होगा, उनके ऊपर कितना बोझ होगा. They also shout on you, but that doesn't mean that you will be replying back. Got it? Please try to understand. Always respect your parents. Love them. I know you all love your parents, but कभी-कभी जो disrespect दिखाते हैं, that is very bad. नहीं करना, कभी भी मत करना. Got it? So this was my mantra for today. Let's come back to the chapter 5, Women Change the World. इसमें yesterday in the last video, what we have done is that we were talking about women movement. Women movement. Women need to start struggling. Okay? The struggling that the women do, the struggling women do movement. सिंपल में कब तक सहेंगे, कब तक परेशान होंगे? Somewhere, sometime, दिल का गुबार तो बाहर आएगा ही, दिल का दर्द तो बाहर आएगा ही. Got it? So the women who are struggling, they start this kind of movement. Some laws were made For women, when the women started the movement, the government have made laws for women. And one of the biggest movement that has started, that women have participated in, was dowry. Law against dowry. You know, people who are marrying the daughters, जो अपनी लड़कियों की शादी करते हैं, they plan for dowry. वो उनको पता होता है कि उनको डाउरी देना है. They have to give the dowry. That is where the problem starts. क्यों देंगे डाउरी? भाई मत दीजिए डाउरी. लॉ बना हुआ है. The people who are asking for dowry, go and complain. ठीक है, पुलिस इज देयर, पुलिस विल गो एंड अरेस्ट दोस पीपल हु आर आस्किंग फॉर डाउरी. बिलीव मी चिल्ड्रन, बट पीपल डोंट डू इट. पता है, डाउरी इफ समबडी इज आस्किंग, इफ यू गो एंड कंप्लेन, तो ऑब्वियसली जिस लड़की के साथ शादी की बात चल रही है वहां पे शादी टूट जाएगी. अदर पीपल विल ऑल्सो नॉट कम फॉर मैरिज. अरे बाप रे, इनकी लड़की से कौन शादी करेगा, ये तो जाके पुलिस पे कंप्लेन कर देते हैं. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? So everybody keeps quiet. डाउरी दे भी रहे हैं, डाउरी ले भी रहे हैं, दहेज दे भी रहे हैं, दहेज ले भी रहे हैं. That is where the problem starts. And जितना दहेज कहा है, 10 लाख रुपीस नहीं मिला, then who will be punished? The girl who is married, she is punished, she is insulted, and she is mistreated by the family. बहुत ही बुरा व्यवहार होता है उसके साथ, which is very wrong. Sometimes the brides, newlywed brides, are killed. So what we need to do is we need to do something called as campaigning. Okay? We need to make the people understand कि those who are doing these kind of atrocities, इस तरह का अत्याचार जो लोग कर रहे हैं, उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी है. There has to be proper campaigning against that. Okay? तो campaigning के लिए क्या करना है? We need to do this. सबसे पहले we need to raise awareness amongst the people. Raising awareness. Important part of women's movement is to raise public awareness. Okay? Laws are there. So many organizations are working in favor of women. हर लोग मतलब मदद करने के लिए तैयार हैं. लेकिन आप until and unless you go to the doctor, how will the doctor come to know कि आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Are you understanding? People don't go. People don't go to these organizations. हो थोड़ा सा 2 थप्पड़ मार खा लेते हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फिर पता चलेगा the husband has left, अगर मैं पुलिस के पास चली गई या मैं इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास चली गई. No. The thought process of the women needs to be changed. And how to create awareness? How to spread the message? It is through raising awareness. कैसे? Through street plays. सड़कों पे उतर के there is something called as you have seen in our school also in the assemblies, नुक्कड़ नाटक. हाँ, बंद करो भाई, बंद करो, दहेज प्रथा बंद करो. This kind of things, you know, these kind of plays are there. कोई इसमें मतलब मेकअप वेकअप की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. With any kind of dress, you can perform the things. Got it? So street plays are there. Songs can be made. बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ पे there have been so many assemblies. If you have attended those assemblies, you can very well remember how awareness is being created in the favor of women. Got it? And public meetings. People should come together, sit together, talk about these atrocities, दहेज ले रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are they doing? So it needs, the first thing that is needed is raising awareness. लोगों के अंदर में we have to do awareness, campaign करना है, बताना है that a wrong is a wrong. ठीक है, एक थप्पड़ पड़े चाहे दो थप्पड़ पड़े, थप्पड़ तो पड़ा, एक लड़की को मार तो पड़ी फॉर डाउरी, शी वॉज टॉर्चर्ड, इट्स अ रॉन्ग थिंग. ओके, पहला तो पीपल शुड बी रेजिंग अवेयरनेस, लोगों को बताना है दैट वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग इज रॉन्ग, गलत है, इनकरेक्ट. गॉट इट? एंड देन अनदर थिंग दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज प्रोटेस्टिंग. प्रोटेस्ट करना है. ओके, रेजिंग द वॉइस. Women's movement is its voice when violations against women take. Okay, protest against violations. ठीक है, violations that take place. चुप नहीं रहना है. गलत अगर हो रहा है तो उसके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी है. Violations that take place. Law है, there is law that women would be respected. Women will not be mistreated. Nobody will ask for dowry. But people are doing it. जो लोग ये कर रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी है. That is violations. जैसे when a law or a policy, ठीक है, law has been made, उस law के खिलाफ जाके आप कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, that is violation of the law. When you go against the law, that is violation of the law. तो public rallies, demonstrations, how do you protest? Protesting किस तरह होती है? How protest happens? ठीक है, rallies are there, people come on roads, women come on roads, they rally, Zindabad, Murdabad, these kind of there things are there. Public rallies have to be there, demonstrations are there. How demonstrations कैसे होते हैं? वो बैनर एंड पोस्टर के साथ, those the people who come on the roads. Got it? That is what is demonstration. Talking again, I mean going against the atrocities in a very proper manner. बिल्कुल भी. And most important, by doing this public rallies and demonstrations से क्या होता है? The public's attention is drawn to the injustice. कि देखिए अन्याय हुआ है. That's why we are on roads. Women come on the roads. Why this kind of an atrocity has happened? क्यों एक औरत के साथ इतना बुरा व्यवहार किया गया? Okay, it needs to be understood. People need to understand. Very powerful way of drawing attention. Okay, एक तो हो गया, one is raising awareness, another is protesting. Protesting in what manner? By public rallies, demonstrations, women के खिलाफ जो कुछ भी हो रहा है. On for that, the people should raise their voice. हाँ, जागरूकता लाना बहुत जरूरी है. And another major thing that needs to be practiced is showing solidarity. Solidarity, ekta. Got it? Everybody needs to be together. Women's movement is, ये नहीं कि दो औरतें कह रही हैं कि ये तो दहेज लेके बहुत इस लड़की को परेशान किया गया, बहुत गलत बात है. अदर टू वुमेन आर सेइंग, अरे आप लड़की है भाई, ऐसा ही होता है. कोई जरूरत नहीं है आवाज उठाने की, क्या जरूरत है सड़क पे जाने की, देन दैट इज नॉट सॉलिडारिटी, एकता नहीं है। ठीक है। अदर विमेन एंड कॉजेज, आई टोल्ड यू ना कि औरतों का जो आई मीन सबसे बड़े दुश्मन कभी कभी क्या होता है, औरतें ही औरतों की दुश्मन हो जाती हैं। विमेन ओनली गो अगेंस्ट द विमेन, दैट इज बैड। ओके, तो पिक्चर्स आर देयर इन योर बुक, इफ यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स। सबसे पहली चीज की हम वी सेलिब्रेट 8th मार्च। क्या होता है 8th मार्च को? As what? Of course you might be knowing, some of you might be definitely knowing. It is the International Women's Day, my dear children. Please remember, GK, it is GK point of view important. International Women's Day. Okay, क्या होता है? It is women all over the world, they come together and to celebrate and renew their struggles. इतने दिन का जो उनका स्ट्रगल है, for so many years they have been struggling hard for equality, for peace, for solidarity, for respect. तो ऐसा तो एवरी डे इज वुमेन्स डे, कम ऑन, किस दिन वुमेन्स का डे नहीं होता है? ऑल द डेज इन द कैलेंडर इज वुमेन्स डे। हाँ, वी नीड टू सेलिब्रेट द वुमेन्स डे विथ फुल रेस्पेक्ट एंड विथ फुल सॉलिडारिटी, एकता के साथ। एवरीबडी, ऑल द विमेन शुड फाइट फॉर द कॉज ऑफ अदर विमेन। दूसरी औरत के लिए, उनकी राइट्स के लिए these kind of practices are important, बहुत जरूरी है। ठीक है, to celebrate and renew their struggles। अभी तक जो उनका स्ट्रगल रहा है उसमें they need to understand, they need to come together once again। and women, what is happening is women sometimes क्या करते हैं, प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं। प्रोटेस्ट कैसे करते हैं? they take the candle march is there। हाँ, कैंडल जला के, पेइंग रेस्पेक्ट, सम गर्ल हैज डाइड और सम वुमेन हैज बीन मिसट्रीटेड, तो उसको प्रोटेस्ट कैसे करेंगे? तो दे फाइंड डिफरेंट वेज एंड मीन्स टू प्रोटेस्ट। ओके, इन सारी चीजों के खिलाफ औरतें जब आवाज उठाती हैं, देन वी सी दैट हाउ women are coming together and how women change the world। खाली बदलने की बातें नहीं करनी है, in practice also women have to do these things and they do that। Got it? How they do that? What are the things that are being practiced? That is there and we will be understanding about it in detail। Okay? अभी हमने पूरा चैप्टर कर लिया है। लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स आर देयर विच आर शोइंग दैट हाउ women can change the world, what are the steps that needs to be taken for changing the women's world, how men can support the women। okay, 8th मार्च को इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे मना के we show and we prove to everyone that how women अगर एक साथ आ जाए तो women can do wonders। गजब की चीजें कर सकती हैं औरतें, लेकिन सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए, सोसाइटी का सपोर्ट मिलना चाहिए। Got it, children? With I'm sorry, children। With this, what happens is we come to the end of the chapter। Yes, your chapter is over। Lot of things we discussed about women। Some datas were there, वो datas भी आपको करना है। Now what we do is, after completing the chapter, हम क्या करते हैं? We discuss the question and answers। So children, now let's begin with the question and answers। You can discuss your doubts in the online classes whenever you feel like। And how women's life has been affected. Let's discuss about it. Let's talk about it. Okay. So over to the question and answers. Let's discuss the question and answers now. Okay, children.
Dear students, now we have completed the chapter. Okay, and I told you that I'll be discussing the question and answers. So here I am with the question and answers of chapter 5, Political Science, Women Change the World. First question, how do you think stereotypes about what women can or cannot do affect the women's right to equality? Remember the stereotypes. We discussed about the stereotypes. We talked about the stereotypes. People are not ready to change. People are not ready to accept that what women can do. Got it? So what are these stereotypes and what women can do or cannot do? How does it affect the women's right to equality? Women's right to equality is affected because of this stereotype. How? क्योंकि क्या होता है, we consider women to be a part of some activity that she is doing. We think and we assume, हम ऐसा सोच लेते हैं that women will be doing this work and they have to do this work. वो नहीं करेंगी तो कौन करेगा? Okay. So it is there which is affecting their right to equality. I would just like to show you this thing. The first thing is that they do not get the same support that like the boys. Boys definitely are preferred and are given support by the parents in the family. And क्योंकि stereotype है ना, in the family it is thought कि लड़का है तो उसने यही काम करना है, लड़की है तो उसने यही काम करना है. Stereotype, that is a stereotype. They are considered inferior to men. They are not sent to educational institutions. If there is a poor family and education, the family में ऐसा कहा जाता है कि children need to get educated. So it is decided it is the boys who will be going to school rather than the girls going to school. Got it? So they are not sent to educational institutions and they are promoted to see marriage. क्योंकि घर में भी दादी नानी and all the elder people, they think that it is the women, it is the girls जिनको शादी करके तो दूसरे घर में जाना है ना, तो जब दूसरे घर में ही जाना है तो हम इनको इतना क्यों पढ़ाएंगे लिखाएंगे? Why are we spending so much on their education? We need to understand that. Got it? तो हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? हम how do we understand that? How do we consider it as important? So we will be talking about. Now what happens? They are not paid equally. काम वही करती हैं जितना the male members are working, उतना ही work they are also doing. Got it? But they are not paid like men. They are assigned household work. घर का काम उनको दिया जाता है as their priority job. क्या काम करना है? That is to be considered. That is to be made necessary. Assigned मतलब ये काम लड़की को करना है तो करना है. That is there. तो यहाँ से from here the real discrimination, the differences between the boys and girls start coming up, start being seen. दिखने लगता है लड़कियों में कितना भेदभाव कर रहे हैं. Got it? तो ये है, some of the reasons are here. Then look at the next question. एक रीजन आपको बताना है. List one reason alphabet was so important to women like Rashasundari Devi, Ramabai and Rokaya. Alphabet A B C D O R E E, these are the alphabets. तो अभी क्या है, Rashasundari Devi, Ramabai, Rokaya Hussain, what has happened is they were able to achieve their goals only by education, and education starts with knowing about the alphabets. Alphabets ही सबसे पहले सीखना पड़ता है. Then only we can understand the meaning of education. And they were able to put an impact ऑन द सोसाइटी, पूरी समाज पे काफ़ी असर डाला इन्होंने. देयर आई schools. So it could never be achieved. All these achievements that these ladies have got, it is because of their education. And please understand that learning alphabet is the first step to education. क्लास नर्सरी केजी में सबसे पहले क्या पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को? उनको आगे पढ़ाना है ना, तो दे शुड नो क ख ग घ क्या है, ओ आ ई क्या है, ABCD क्या है, alphabets. They need to learn the alphabets because it will not only help them in their day-to-day social life, लेकिन pursuing the education they needed to understand the alphabets. Got it? इसके बाद I discussed in one of the online classes about the condition of the poor girls. The poor of school because interested in getting an education. पुअर गर्ल्स जो हैं, गरीब लड़कियां स्कूल छोड़ के चली जाती हैं क्योंकि उनको पढ़ने का मन नहीं है. Reread the last paragraph on page 62 and explain why this statement is not true. जो गरीब लड़कियां हैं, आप 62 पेज नंबर एक बार ही पढ़ लेना. जस्ट गो थ्रू द पेज नंबर 62 and you have to explain this statement. Poor girls drop out of school, admission लेके then they don't go to the school because they are not interested in getting an education. इनको पढ़ाई लिखाई से कोई मतलब नहीं है. Do you really think so? क्या सच में ऐसा है? Is it true? ठीक है, तो what happens is poor girls drop out from the, ऐसा नहीं है that they are not interested in getting an education. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको पढ़ाई का मन नहीं है. Because when the parents don't have money and they have family, they prefer the boys only. सबसे पहले लड़कों का एजुकेशन करते हैं. There may not even be proper schools nor teachers who teach on a regular basis. तो girl child को they are not willing to send to the school, and apart from that they are unable to bear the cost of education. कितना पढ़ना है, क्या है? Why to spend money on the girls education when they have to marry and go in some other house? Thinking is wrong. Don't you think? ठीक है, जब सोच ही गलत है तो सारी चीज़ें गलत हो ही जाएंगी. And boys of course get preference over girls education for seeking education. And sometimes what happens that teachers, classmates discriminate against them. Girls को अलग कर देते हैं boys से. Two methods of struggle that women's movement have to raise issue. कौन कौन सा तरीका है? Two methods of struggle that is very clearly mentioned in your book. I have discussed it in one of the videos also. Got it? आज के ही वीडियो में मैंने ये डिस्कस किया है. Campaigning, protesting, these are the methods through which the women can struggle and the women can raise their voice or raise the issues related to discrimination, related to the problems that they face. Campaigning is one of the things. Women's movement में it is used to fight discrimination, violence against women. Women in an organized and collective manner. They want to achieve certain goals which can be done through campaigning. हाँ, उनके बारे में अच्छी अच्छी बातें बता के लोगों को. We need to spread this message that what girls can do, nobody else can do. These girls who will be in future becoming women, they need support. हर तरीके का इनको support चाहिए. Protesting, women use public rallies, protest on a very large scale. They protest. Rallies are there, demonstrations are there, and women need to do that. Then only people will choose. Then only people will understand. अभी देखो एक चीज़ है, why would you choose this particular method? अब इस meaning है protest choose करो. Not show you this. You have to write it on your own. अपने आप आपको ये लिखना है because this is your viewpoint. तो व्हेन यू आर मेंशनिंग योर व्यू पॉइंट, आपको इसमें आंसर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. द कैंपेनिंग एंड प्रोटेस्टिंग थिंग वॉज गिवन इन द बुक. Got it? So you understand what is campaigning, you understand what is protesting. Now do the things on your own. अपना viewpoint आपको देना है. Please go through it and then write your own viewpoint. Got it? So further we will be starting a new chapter. It's a surprise. Let's see which chapter we are starting in the next class. Thank you children and all the best to you.